Hi Dresser Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Gary the snake from Zootopia 2. So let's get started. To draw this cute viper, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a very big oval. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another one. There. So now these two ovals, I'm going to come inside towards this edge more and draw a smaller one right about here. And I'm going to come right here and just draw a circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. So same thing here towards this edge more. There. So now that these eyes in, let's go ahead and in between the eyes, right about here, we're just going to put in these nostrils facing each other. So here and here. Make sure my eyes are, I'm going to look at my camera here, make this one a little bit longer. And this one needs to be a little bit higher. Okay, there, a little bit better, right? So now that I have that, then let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's come back to the top and right in between the eyes, we're just going to draw a little line right here. And then we're going to go up on both sides over the eye. And we're just going to go up a little bit higher and then come down and then curve around the eye and bring it down. So same thing here, just gives the snake a little bit of shape at the top. If you're not comfortable drawing this, you can definitely just draw a curve over. And once again, same thing. And down. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's see here. Let's go ahead and I'm going to come to the sides right here. And you know what? Let's do that later. Sorry. Let's come back to the center and say about right here. Just going to give myself a point. And we're going to start the mouth. So I'm going to come down with a curve right under the eye. And then about right here, just going to curve it up. And then curve up one more layer. So we're going to pass the eye now and say about right here. And cap it off. So same thing on the other side. Just curve it down just like the other side. And go back up. And then once again, curve up. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and come back right about here. Just draw a small curve. And then come back right here. And we're going to start to draw, say, maybe 3 of these, 2 and 3 that go around the mouth, and then we're going to bring it in. So same thing on the other side. So like get these scales. 1, 2, 3, and just like the other side, bring it in. So then let's see here. Before we finish it off, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to draw that long tooth. Right about here, and then we're going to bring this in, and we're going to aim towards the center, so let's say about right here. And so same thing on the other side. There. So we have our head shape in. Make this a little bit wider out. Okay, so there. Then from there, let's see here, what are we missing? I think that's pretty much it for the, oh, very important, that's right. We're gonna come right here and just draw this curve right underneath the eye, and maybe another one right about here. I knew something was missing, it was very important. And another one. There, now it looks like him, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So in the center, let's say about here and here, I'm just going to draw a curve coming down, and same thing here. Maybe it gets a little bit wider as we come down, and let's curve it a little bit more. To say about right there. And then we're going to draw 3 layers of coils. So let's say here, and go ahead and just curve and then go up and come down, and same thing here. I'm going to curve up and then come down. So then from there, let's go ahead and go 2 and 3, just to make it a little bit easier. And same thing here. So this one's going to be a little bit wider, I guess, because we're going to want to match this layer. And then we're going to come down just like the other side and connect. So just draw a soft curve towards the bottom to finish it off. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and come up with a curve and then come down and go up. And then this one, we can just make it nice and simple, just a soft curve all the way across. There, and just soften everything up. And then of course we need a tail, so let's come about right here. And I'm just going to curve and bring it back down. So a little bit wider as we come back down. And let's draw in some details so we can give our snake some texture. So lightly, you can do this when you're coloring, if you don't want this harsh black line, but I just kind of want to show you. Lines here for the neck, and then on the body right here you can kind of do these shapes right here all the way across lightly to make it look like scales. And just kind of follow the body. And one more layer. There, something like that, just to give it some texture. And I guess we should put some here too as well. And of course I need to put a heart right somewhere on this cute snake. So, oh gosh, where should I put it? You know what, let's put it right here. I was about to put it on the neck, but I think we'll just stick it right there so that at least I have a little heart to make this my Draw So Cute Gary the snake from Zootopia 2. I really hope you loved this drawing and I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.